warm welcome to all of you, my friends, to my YouTube channel. Today's topic will be the basic of HTML part 2. Here in this topic, we will be discussing about list and the different types of list. Lists. Lists are used to group together related informations so that they can be associated with each other and are easy to read. The types of list in HTML are ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Okay. Now let me discuss about the first type of list, that is known as the unordered list. See, unordered list is a group or a set of informations or items that do not have a particular order. Okay, so the attribute of unordered list is type. It has only one attribute, so the attribute is type. The attribute value of type are disk, circle, and square. If I put disk, it will show me a colored circle, black color circle. If I write circle, it will show me a hollow circle. If I write square, it will show me a black colored square. This is the HTML code for the UL type. Here you will see that I have written UL type equal to disk. Then I have written li apple, li mango, and li grapes. Li stands for list item. Look at the output. You will see that before apple, mango, and grapes, there is a bullet which looks like a black colored circle. That is because of the UL type equal to disk. Had I written UL type equal to square, in place of this bullet, there would have been a square bullet. The next type of list is ordered list. The symbol for ordered list is OL. See, what is ordered list? Ordered list are a group of items that are in a specific order. Of order, the list are type and start. The attribute values of type attribute are Arabic numbers, uppercase Roman numerals, lowercase Roman numerals, uppercase letters, and lowercase letters. And the attribute value of the start attribute is a number that is denoted by n. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, etc. This is the sample HTML code for the OL tag. In this code, you will see I have written OL type equal to A, start equal to 3. And then I have given 3 items and with the li tag. Now, if you look at the output, you will see that the first name, that is Mumbai, starts with C, then Goa with D, and then Delhi with E. It starts with C because in the code I have written OL type equal to small letter a, start equal to 3. Since it is start equal to 3, it starts with C. Had it been start equal to 4, it would start with D. It is definition list. It is also known as a description list, and it is basically used to define a particular term along with its definition. The tags that are associated with the definition list are: number 1, definition term denoted by DT. It is used to display a term. Second one is definition, which is denoted by DD, and it is used to display a definition. This is the sample HTML code for definition list tag. Under the DL tag, we have the DT tag, where I have written pollution. Pollution is the definition term, and The definition of pollution is written under the DD tag. Then I have closed the definition list tag. If you look at the output, you will see that the size of the text pollution is a little bit bigger compared to the rest of the text. And the definition of pollution is indented towards the right because it is under the DD tag. Thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and please hit the like button